What if your mind holds the key to reality itself? Quantum physics suggests a bizarre truth. Observation might literally shape the world around us. Prepare to have your understanding of consciousness and the universe shattered, because your brain might be more powerful than you ever imagined. Now, imagine if your brain was more than just a biological machine. What if it worked like a quantum computer, tapping into the strange and powerful rules of quantum physics? Some scientists speculate this could be possible, but even if it isn't literally true, the metaphors of quantum physics can teach us how to unlock incredible powers of the mind. In this video, I'll break down 5 fascinating quantum concepts in simple terms and show you 5 practical ways to unlock your mind's superpower using them. 1. Quantum superposition. In quantum physics, superposition means a particle can exist in multiple states at once until observed. Imagine tossing 2 stones into a pond. The ripples overlap and create a new, complex pattern. Your mind works in a similar way. When you're faced with a decision, you hold multiple what-if scenarios in your head before settling on one. This mental flexibility is your own version of superposition. Motivational takeaway. You are never limited to a single path. Your brain is designed to explore multiple realities before choosing one. This is the root of creativity and innovation. Daily practice. Each morning, take one challenge in your life and write down 3 different possible solutions. Don't judge them, just let the possibilities flow. Training yourself to think in possibilities keeps your brain sharp, adaptable, and imaginative. 2. Forge deep connections. Quantum entanglement. In quantum physics, entanglement happens when 2 particles become so connected that what happens to one instantly affects the other, even across great distances. Humans experience something similar in relationships. Think of times when you and a friend thought of the same thing at the exact same moment, or when you felt someone's mood without them saying a word. That's our version of mental entanglement. Motivational takeaway. The more deeply you connect with others, the more your mind expands beyond its own limits. Relationships multiply your ideas, energy, and emotional strength. Daily practice. Each day, pause and pick one person you value. Take a moment to imagine what they might be feeling or thinking right now. Then, send them a message or call them. This simple act of empathy strengthens your bonds and sharpens your intuition, like 2 particles syncing across space. 3. Achieve flow. Quantum coherence. When particles act in perfect sync, they enter a state called quantum coherence. This is how lasers work, millions of particles moving together as one. Your brain can do the same thing. When all your thoughts, focus, and actions line up, you enter what we call a flow state. The zone where creativity and productivity feel effortless. Athletes, musicians, and writers often describe this exact sensation. Motivational takeaway. When your mind achieves coherence, challenges seem smaller, and your potential feels limitless. It's the ultimate state of focus and harmony. Daily practice. Choose one important activity each day and give it your full attention for 20 minutes. No phone, no distractions. Whether it's reading, creating, or exercising, let your mind and body align fully with that task. You'll begin to taste the power of mental coherence. 4. Break through barriers. Quantum tunneling. Quantum tunneling is the phenomenon where particles pass through barriers that should be impossible to cross. Without it, the sun wouldn't shine, and many of our technologies wouldn't work. In life, you hit barriers too: fear, doubt, or difficult problems. But sometimes, solutions appear out of nowhere. That sudden, aha moment is your mind tunneling through the wall. Motivational takeaway. Just because a barrier seems impossible doesn't mean it island. Your brain can leap past limits when you least expect it. Daily practice. When you feel stuck, don't force it. Step away. Go for a walk, do something playful, or take a short break. Ask your subconscious to solve the problem, then release it. More often than not, the solution will suddenly appear. Your mind has tunneled through the barrier. 5. Practice mindful observation. The observer effect. In quantum physics, The observer effect tells us that simply watching a particle changes its behavior. Observation collapses possibility into reality. Your thoughts and emotions behave the same way. By observing them, you change them. If you notice anxiety, it often lessens. If you focus on gratitude, it grows stronger. Awareness is not passive, it's transformative. Motivational takeaway. You are not your thoughts. You are the observer. And by observing, you have the power to shape your inner reality. Daily practice. Pause 2 or 3 times a day for a mindfulness check-in. Take a deep breath and ask, what am I thinking or feeling right now? Name it without judgment. That simple act of observation shifts your state of mind and gives you control over it.